Hello fellow trader, and thanks for clicking on that thumbnail to watch this video. I know you clicked on the video because you wanted to hear what I want to say and what could help you get to the next level in your trading journey. So thanks once again for clicking, and before I move on, I would like to say this. You won't see any fancy editing here. You won't see all those graphics that would entice you to want to watch the video till the end. But if you're here for raw advice, you want to hear what I want to say, then you might want to listen to me and watch this video till the end. You see, there are a lot of noise out there that we all, including me, get confused by what people say. But I've come to realize that in order to be successful in trading, you need just to believe on one thing, one system, one method, and fight to make it work for you. Jumping from here to here, from one system to the other, from one method to the other, from one strategy to the other, is not going to help. It hasn't helped anybody. It is not going to help you. And the second thing is that you also believe in yourself that you can do it. Everybody is not meant or wired to have success at the same amount of time. Some people, it might happen for them in a year. Some might take 5 years. Some might take 2 years. Some might take 10 years. Everyone's destiny is not the same. So when it happens for someone else within 1 year, within 2 years, don't think it will happen for you within that short period of time or within the same amount of time. It doesn't work that way because our destinies are different. We are all meant and built differently. So here is what you need to do when you wake up in the morning by London section 8 a.m. Here is what you do. I don't care if you're a guru trader. I don't care if you're a beginner trader. But if you're a beginner trader, I think this will help you so much more than someone who is already good and profitable in trading. So here is what you do. Before I move on, I am GAD. My name is God. This is my channel, and I think I'm about to tell you the raw truth. Here on my channel, I do daily market watch and analysis. You can go back and watch my videos for each and every day I have posted. You can go back and watch my videos and see the accuracy and see what wave analysis does and see how it is the best so far in analyzing the market. You can go back and watch my videos. Now, the method I use in analyzing the market is wave analysis, and the whole system is built on wave analysis. Now, here is a thing. If you want to be successful, you are struggling as a trader, you still want to find your place in the trading world, here is what you need to do. Every 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. in the morning London section, when you wake up and you're preparing for your day's trading, you want to visit the chart, you want to analyze, you want to see what opportunity lies ahead, you want to see how you can get in, get out, how you can make profit, how you can make money, then here's what you need to do. When you are about to prepare, come to YouTube, open the YouTube portal, find my channel and watch my video for that day, because I go over to analyze the metals, the indices, a few cryptos, the currency majors, the JPY pairs and the crosses or exotic pairs. So you will find something that you are looking for in one or two trades or one or two instruments. You find a setup. Now here is the thing. This is not me saying you should throw away whatever methodology you have in approaching the market. If you want to retain it, it's fine. If you want to change or start using my own methodology, then that's a different ball game altogether. But that's not why I'm making this video. I'm not trying to sell you anything. Here is the raw truth. Trading is hard, and trading solely as that only one tree in the desert that wants to make a forest is not going to take you anywhere. You need knowledge. You don't need any fancy, you don't need all of this stuff. I could go to extra mile, pay people who are professional video editors to just edit the video and make it very enticing so you can watch to the end. But I don't do that because I believe anyone who knows what he is looking for would always go for knowledge. So you're here just to listen to what I am saying to you and not to watch the videos and how enticing, how stock footages and how animations and how all of that was made up to edit the video. That's not why you're here. You're here because you need knowledge, you need the truth, and the truth is what I am telling you right now. My videos will help help you. I'm not saying this to hype myself, to promote myself. It is okay, it is fine, it is quite alright if you don't believe me, it's fine. But here is what I am proposing to you. I'm not selling you any course. I'm not saying you should pay me money. I'm just saying you should get the free knowledge. Get it. It is free. So when you wake up, you're preparing for the day you want to trade, you want to analyze the chart, go to YouTube, check my videos for the day's analysis for that day, that particular day. Watch them till the end. You will gain something. Now, I am not saying follow exactly everything I have said or I will say 100% on there. No, it is a guide to help you in your own type or form of trading, to help you have a broader view of what to look for in the market, have a wider room of decision making, rational decision making, of course. So it will help you think critically about what you're seeing on the charts and what you think the market will do. Because how we become better traders is when we have other people's opinion coming and we make an argument and disagree to agree, and then we think critically, we go back, revisit what we've talked about, what the other person's opinion is and what our opinions are, and we kind of compare them and combine them. I will take another critical look at the market to see if there is any possibility that we may have missed something during our journey of analysis or prediction or whatever, or bias. That is it. That's how you become a good trader. You cannot become a good trader when you are alone. You are not listening to people, you're not taking in, you're not digesting information, and you're not ready to hear the raw truth. You cannot be successful. If you want to be successful, you need knowledge. Motivation is good. People can flaunt their rented cars and whatever. Some of them are true, some of them are lies, but that's not why we're here. Why we're here is that you need knowledge, and I'm out to help you as possible as I can, freely, not charging you anything. All you need to do is wake up, preparing for your day's trade, analyzing the charts. Just take a look at my videos. What do I think? Where am I thinking the market will go? And if you doubt me, you can go back now, take a look at my videos and compare them to your charts. Just take your time. You can take just one video, take one of my videos, so it won't take a whole lot of your time for the day, and you can just go open your charts, and for every instrument I analyzed and told you what it will do, just visit the chart back, visit the date, and watch what the chart did, watch what happens, and then figure out how it can help you become a better trader on your own. The first video I made on this channel was an intro video where I talked about the things to expect here on this channel, and I talked about the fact that I don't have any course or any paid program that anybody can pay money for. So if you need my knowledge, you just have to come get it from my YouTube channel. That's it. At least not for now, not for any moment from now. I'm not even thinking about that because I got other things going. So the knowledge I put out here might seem very not interesting or very not worth it because it is free, because I am not asking anyone to pay money to get them. But if you need knowledge, you would value one when you see it, whether it is paid or for free. Yeah, there's a saying that nothing is free, even in Freetown. I get that, but I'm telling you, I am not telling you because I want you to watch my videos. No, you could decide you don't want to watch the videos, and that's fine. But I'm telling you, if you want to be successful, you gotta start doing the real thing. You gotta start taking in the knowledge. You gotta start watching my videos. I think I have said enough, and if you feel like this is what you need, you can subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification so you get notified every morning I drop the videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.